Welcome to the new chapter of InspironLabs. This space isn't just new, it's built with intention. This space marks new milestone where every room, wall and names reflects who we are and what we built for. It's more than a workplace. It's a space designed for momentum, ideas and people who love to build. Come take a look at where we are shaping what's next. So we have named the conference room and meeting rooms as per the Vedas as they carry timeless wisdom. So can you define what these names mean to you?
So Rig Veda stands for vision and knowledge, great for idea sessions. Sam Veda is about harmony, great for team syncs. Yajur Veda is all about execution. This is where we execute stuff. Other Veda brings practical problem solving, ideal for strategy talks.
Let's start at the heart of it all, where journey, energy and spirit come together. Can you define this space?
Yeah, sure. So this space holds it all, our memories, moments and milestones. From a quick win to big celebration, this is where the spirit of Inspiron lives. We call it as this Pulse of Inspiron because everything meaningful starts right here.
This section stands for something deeper. So can you please tell us what are these pillars really mean for InspironLabs?
Sure. So these pillars are just not the workspace. This is built by the values. These values guide us how we work, how we think, how we grow together. The core values of InspironLabs are integrity, empathy, teamwork, and these things are the key to deliver work which will make a real impact. It's not just what you build, it's how you build it.
We are living in the world that moves fast, and at InspironLabs, we are built to move faster. From solving challenges to pushing new features to the core, this mindset keeps us ahead. And this wall behind me signifies that time with purpose keeps us ahead.
We are Inspironians, we are creators, thinkers, problem solvers. We don't just dream about our future, but we build a very powerful impact-right future. We come from different paths, but here we move as one. It's not just a wall, but it represents us, but it reflects the value we live by: resilience, curiosity, and collaboration.
This one's special. At InspironLabs, inspiration starts with the people. From that first idea you pitch to hours spent refining it, every contribution matters. This waltz celebrates the people behind the progress.
AI isn't just the part of what we do, it's how we think. From the way we approach the problems and how to scale the solution, AI is our foundation. This wall represents our mindset in one line. We are not waiting for the future, we are building it.
These four walls define our core strength. Everyone needs a break. Can you define this space and how do you unwind here?
Hi, this is the Recreation Zone, where ideas refuel and brain reset. We follow a very simple mantra over here: pause, breathe and relax. With a vibrant background, a great view of trees, and something similar we have for the end of the wall, which is trees and green tea. We can have games over here, sip some coffees. It's fun, it's free and it's very us. This is the mantra we follow, and that's how we enter into the cafeteria, where we have good food, good coffee and maybe better conversations which just flow as easily as chai. And this wall, oh my god, complete nostalgia. Brings out the kid in all of us.
Each leadership space carries Sanskrit shlokas, rooted in purpose and action.
So this is CTO cabin. The theme is Karmanyavadika Raste, which means focus on your work, do not attach with results. This cabin is VP Operations. The theme is Kartavyamev Tanmanye, which states duty above all else. So this is VP Engineering cabin. The theme of this cabin is Siddhi Bhavati Karmaja, which states success comes from effort.
These booths are more than just quiet corners. They are inspired by the 5 elements, the origin of energy, balance and innovation.
Jal is water, flexible, calm and always in flow. Vayu represents air, always moving, just like our momentum. Agni is fire, the spark that fuels bold ideas. Prithvi is earth, steady, calm and focused. Akash or space, where thoughts expand and clarity takes shape.
Dhruv Meeting Room, named after the North Star Dhruv. It's a place where we come to plan, focus and have meaningful conversations.
Early riser or night thinker, there's a booth for both. Surya for the ones who light up morning with energy and intention. Chandra for the ones who thrive after sunset. No matter your style, there's a space here for the focused glow.
So, as we know, in the fast-paced world where knowledge is evolving every day, so to keep up with this world, we need to upskill. This space is where skills grows, leader takes shapes, and idea gets sharper. It's more than just a room, it's a mindset, a place where learning fuels everything we do.
Growth is more than numbers, it's a story. Could you tell us what this wall reminds you of?
So this wall, it's more than just dates and number you are seeing. It's a reminder of everything what we have built and everyone who is a part of this journey. Our earliest ideas to the product we are sitting today, it's all lives here. We have just started with 5 members with a small cabin and we are now 200 plus members, and every step forward has been driven by bold thinkings and GenAI first mindset. This space tells our whole story and not just what we are now but where we are growing.
This is InspironLabs, where innovation meets intention, where we build with purpose, and this space is just the beginning.
We are part of InspironLabs.